操，大哥你接你倒是他妈逼的！
别说话，录着冷吗？关键是。
冷，我刚才手一沾就沾上去了。
已经接上了 ，It's freezing, actually freezing right now, yeah.
哎呀，结冰了。
对。我操！谁在他说英语 ，please?
Okay, there are more ice.
So with the bump is working, so actually with the cooling system, we can get the other side of the surface is very cold. So right now it's freezing as. So here's this is a cooling system we get from the computer. Here's a fan with it. It's actually rotating, so the extra heat will bring it out of here. So the supply voltage for the cooling system is 12 volt, and the
material voltage is 12 volts on both sides.
is this a current or voltage? And the voltage applied to the
It's only 8 volts.
pelter is only about 9 volts. So right now we can see it's a very efficient system, because compared with the old one, when we heat it, when we connect the pelter to the power supply, so like after 1 minute, it's actually very hot on the other side. So on the other side it will be like it won't be cold, it's only hot. So with this system, we can get very cool air for the indoor area.
拍张照，刮子拍张照。